Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a performance optimization plan with Optimizely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a performance optimization plan with Optimizely, begin by logging into your Optimizely account. Navigate to the project dashboard. Select the project you want to optimize. Click on the Experiments tab to view existing tests. Analyze current experiment results to identify areas needing improvement. Gather key performance indicators relevant to your goals. Define specific objectives for your optimization plan. Use insights from previous experiments to inform your strategy. Create a list of potential tests or changes to implement. Prioritize this list based on impact and ease of implementation. Set up a timeline for each experiment. Ensure that your team is aligned on the objectives and timeline. Begin by creating a new experiment in Optimizely. Select the pages or features you want to test. Choose the specific variations you would like to implement. Configure your tracking settings to monitor performance effectively. Launch the experiment when ready. Monitor the results closely as the experiment runs. Analyze the data to determine the success of each variation. Document your findings and insights for future reference. Adjust your optimization plan based on the data collected from the experiments. Continue iterating and refining your approach over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.